हाँ नहीं, अभी देख रहे ना, कोई आएगा तो फिर ये गूगल मीट है ना, वे दोनों खोल दिया है मैंने, जूम भी कर दिया, वो भी कर दिया। टाइम नहीं हुआ है, आ तो गया।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
गुड आफ्टरनून अनुराग जी, स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
हाँ जी सर, विजिबल।
हाँ तो लेट्स स्टार्ट, की वेट कर लें अभी कुछ?
सर वेट कर लेते 2 मिनट।
हाँ वेट कर लेते हैं। इसके वेयर हाउसेस के सिंगापुर में काफी ज्यादा डिमांड है, वेयर हाउसेस वहां पे काफी ज्यादा है, डॉक है ना वहां पे सिंगापुर में। तो सिंगापुर में ये ऑपरेशंस, सप्लाई चेन की ज्यादा डिमांड है वहां पर, सप्लाई चेन, वेयर हाउसिंग की। वेयर हाउसेस वहाँ काफी बड़े बड़े हैं, क्योंकि वो सिंगापुर कंप्लीट डॉक है, वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट डॉक है वो। तो बेस्ट पोर्ट है सिंगापुर। तो सिंगापुर में कल हम लोग वेयर हाउसेस में ऑर्डर पिकिंग ऑपरेशंस देखे थे, वेब पिकिंग ऑपरेशन देखा हुआ था, ऑर्डर पिकिंग ऑपरेशन, वेब पिकिंग ऑपरेशन, उसी को स्टडी किए थे और उसी के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। जो बड़े बड़े वेयर हाउसेस होते हैं उसमें जो पिकिंग प्रोसेस है, कैसे पिक किया जाए, ये एक स्ट्रैटेजी डिसीजन किया जाता है कि कस्टमर के ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग। अब जैसे सिंगापुर वगैरह में डॉक, जो वहां पर पोर्ट है, तो वहां पे वर्ल्ड वाइड डिमांड आती है, कस्टमर की डिमांड आती है। तो वहां पर जो वेयर हाउसेस हैं उसकी स्ट्रैटेजी अलग होती है, छोटे छोटे वेयर हाउसेस हैं उसकी स्ट्रैटेजी अलग होगी, है ना। तो ये आपको पिकिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है कि आपको वेयर हाउसेस से कैसे जो है सामान को पिक किया जाए अकॉर्डिंग टू द कस्टमर ऑर्डर। ये आपको पिकिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है, कैसे वेयर हाउसेस से सामान को उठाया जाए, हाउ टू पिक द आइटम फ्रॉम द वेयर हाउसेस, ये स्ट्रैटेजी दिया हुआ है आपको। और ये आपको ऑर्डर पिकिंग मेथड है, कल भी हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर पिकिंग मेथड, वेब पिकिंग मेथड, वो हम लोगों ने किया था, उसको फिर से हम उसको रिपीट कर रहे हैं। वर्किंग इन ए वेयर हाउस कैन बी स्टेनियस एंड द टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, इट इज ए टाइम कंज्यूमिंग जॉब। बड़े बड़े वेयर हाउसेस होते हैं वहां पे, इट्स वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग जॉब, स्पेशली फॉर ऑर्डर पिकर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑर्डर्स, it is a very time consuming, and the order picking is one of the most important components of the order fulfillment process according to the customer orders। customer order जो order fulfillment process है वो आपको, it's very important how the customer demands, and then from the warehouses it is to be picked. Then in the case of the warehouses, order picking operation is the most important operation. In fact, over half of the warehouses operating cost are attributed to the order picking. Operating cost of the warehouses, over half of the cost are incurred in the order picking. Hence you can imagine that in the case of if you are handling the warehouses management, then the order picking is the most important strategy. More importantly, fast and accurate order fulfillment is very closely tied to the customer satisfaction. As the customer demands, customer satisfaction is the most important one. How the customer demands and the order fulfillment of the customer is the most important one. As a result, the method that you choose from your order picking operation is critical to your company, right? It is critical to your company that how the order picking operation is to be done in the warehouses. What is the order picking? Before dividing into the best order picking methods, let's first establish what is it. Order picking is just what it sounds like, the process of retrieving products from the warehouse's inventory to fulfill the customer orders. This is the order picking. The process of retrieving the products. The process of retrieving the products from the warehouse's inventory to fulfill the customer order. It is a labor-intensive activity that requires both speed and accuracy. It is a labor-intensive activity, and it requires both speed and accuracy. The amount of time it takes to get an order together greatly influences delivery time. Amount of the time to get an order to greatly influences the delivery time. This is why your productivity levels are essential. Your productivity levels are the essential for this. Order pickers spend most of their time traveling throughout the warehouses searching and for the pulling the proper items. Order pickers most of the time traveling throughout the warehouses. In case of the large warehouse, as I have seen in the case of the Singapore, the traveling time is the more from here to there. And luckily, some order picking methods can help to cut down on this travel time so that your company can fulfill more orders each day. Here is the 6 best order picking method to support an efficient, profitable operation. There is the 6 best order picking methods. What are the best order picking methods are there? It is stated here. Single order picking. Yesterday also studied about the single order picking. Single order picking is the most common order picking method. Most common order picking method. It is also the most time consuming. It is the most time consuming because you pick the single order. It is the most time consuming thing is there in the single order. With single order picking, the picker works on one order at a time. They will search the warehouse for each item one by one to complete the order. The warehouses for each item one by one to complete the order. Meaning pickers often travel the same route repeatedly throughout their shift. Single order picking is ideal for small warehouses that handle a smaller order volume. Single order picking is ideal for the smaller warehouses. If accuracy is an issue, this method works well since pickers work on just one order at a time. If accuracy is an issue, then the single order gives the method will since picker work on just one order at a time. Batch order picking, also known as the multi-order picking. This method allows pickers to work on the multiple orders at the same time. Multiple orders are collected from the customers and the batch is picked, one SKU stock keeping unit at a time. Batch picking is the best for the company that often have multiple orders that with the same SKU items for orders with only a few SKU in each. It cuts down on travel time since the picker usually only needs to travel on item location one time per picking cycle. It is picked in the batches, hence it becomes the less costly and it saves money and it saves time. This is the batch picking, batch order picking advantage. Pick and pass. In the pick and pass method, the warehouse is divided into the zones with workers assigned to each. Associated pick SKU for the multiple orders at a time from within their zone and the bins. Totes or containers are then passed to the next zone. Pick and pass is a term often used interchangeably with the zone picking. Although the zone picking can also be carried out without passing bins or containers from zone to zone. It is the zone picking. It is divided into zone. Pick and pass is divided into the zone. Zone order picking. Zone order picking is often combined with the other methods, most notably the pick and pass method. Pick and pass method, in the case of the pick and pass method, you also divide the warehouses in the zones. Hence, the zone order picking is often combined with the pick and pass method. With zone order picking, the warehouse is divided into the zones and each picker is assigned to their one zone to pull items from. Each picker is assigned their one zone to pull items from. For orders that require products from the multiple zones, the order container is passed on to the next zone, and that zone's picker continues picking items for the order. This process is continued until the order is fulfilled. This method is of great for the high volume warehouses that often suffer from the picker congestion in the multiple area. Fifth one, cluster order picking. The cluster order picking method also allows pickers to work on the multiple orders at the same time. Cluster is also known in a group. Cluster means group. Clustering is known as a group. Cluster order picking, that it is also fulfills the multiple orders. However, instead of concentrating on the similar SKU items for multiple orders, pickers pick a variety of the items for the multiple orders. Although there are a few different ways to accomplish this, such as with vertical lift modules or the carousel, the most common method is for a picker to have a cart loaded and the multiple container. The use of an order picking cart or the collaborative mobile robot helps picker keep orders organized to reduce the error. This method also cuts down on traveling. Although not as much as batch order picking, with cluster picking, the picker only needs to travel an area once for each cluster they are working on. Wave order picking. Yesterday, we have also discussed the wave order picking. With the wave order picking method, picker also work within their assigned zone, except to cut down on time. All zones are picked from at the same time, instead in one zone and then passed on to the next. The items are then later sorted and consolidated into their respective shipments. While wave order picking is quicker than the waiting for each zone to do their part before the order can move on to the next zone, more time and sometimes more workers are needed for the sorting and consolidation process. This method works best for company with a higher number of the picks and orders. This is the wave picking. Then again we take up these topics are there again repeated here, because the order picking, as I have said, for the since your subject is the warehouse management, hence the order processing is the important case. Hence again I am repeating here the same thing is what are the picking strategy, what are the piece picking, what are the case picking, what are the pallet picking, what are the sorting, what is the pick and pack, what are the order picking technology, what are the different factors that I am repeating here in case of the order processing of the warehouses. Order processing is the process or workflow associated with the picking and delivery of the picked item to a ship carrier and is a key element of the order fulfillment. Order processing operation or facility are commonly called distribution center. There are wide variances in the level of automation associating to the pick, pack, and ship process, ranging from the completely manual and paper-driven to highly automated and completely mechanized. Computer system overseeing this process are generally referred to as the warehouse management system. Right? We will study these. These study here. The figure shows the automatic picking by the robot, sorting package according to the destination. This is an order processing is a sequential processing involved. These are the picking operation in the warehouse, picking operation which are discussing in the warehouse. Picking consists in taking and collecting articles in a specified quantity before shipment to satisfy the customer orders. This is the picking. Taking and collecting articles in a specified quantity before shipment to satisfy the customer orders. Sorting, process that separate items according to the destinations. This is known as the sorting. Pre-consolidation of the or package formulation includes weighting, labeling, and the packing. Consolidation means gathering package into the loading units for transportation, control, and bill of the lading. This is known as the consolidation. Person to goods picking assisted by the conveyor belt. Here the conveyor belt is used here, and in the automated system. If you go to the many of the companies of the Germany, then the conveyor belt is used in the company to move the material from one place to the another place. Conveyor belt is used. Hence, persons to the is used in the different company, which is the shown here. That is the conveyor belt is used here to movement of the material from one place to the another place. The order picking is the order preparation operation is one of the logistic warehouses process. Logistics warehouses process. It consists in taking and collecting articles in a specified quantity before shipment to satisfy the customer orders. It is a basic warehousing process and has an important influence on the supply chain's productivity. This makes order picking one of the most controlled logistic process. Order picking is one of the most controlled logistic process. It is one of the warehouse management system functions. Picking strategy. There are several different strategies for the order picking. Several different strategies for the order picking. Piecekeeping or picker to be part method, zone picking method, batch picking method, wave picking method, sorting system method, pick to box method. These are the methods are there. Piecekeeping or picker to the part method, the order picker moves to collect the products necessary for one order. This is commonly seen in distribution center for the retail chains whereby a shop will require a great many replacement goods. A picker may pick all or part of the replacement for one shop. Zone picking method. Each order picker is assigned to one specific zone and will only realize order picking with this zone. For instance, in an electrical retail environment, both small and large items may be required, and a picker on an electric vehicle such as a powered pallet truck, PPT, or an order picker vehicle may pick large and heavy items, whereas a foot picker may pick small and light ones from another part of the warehouse. Eventually, the two picks are collated. Batch picking method. Order pickers move to collect the product necessary for the several separate orders at one time through the most efficient route in the warehouses. Wave picking method. Wave picking is the combination of zone and the batch picking, where the batches of orders are passed from picker to picker through the separate zones. Sorting systems method. No movement of the order picker. The products are brought to him by an automatic system, conveyor system, or automatic storage system. Pick to box method. Same strategy as piece picking above, but when product is picked, it is placed directly into a mailing ready container, removing the need for any of the entry, replacing for mailing transit purpose. This method requires what is the sometimes referred to as a categorization step, where the warehouse management system figures out before the pick is started how many boxes will be required, so that the picker goes out into the warehouse with the correct boxes already in the hand. Note that these strategies are not mutually exclusive to each other. For example, wave picking can be used to batch picks, which are then handled via the zone or the piecekeeping. A warehouse may also be need to support alternate picking strategy due to physical layout or product distribution. For example, if some products are only sold by the pallet and require special lifting equipment, those pallet orders might be batched or processed differently. That the rest of the products which might be piece picked alternately, part of the warehouse might be automated with sorting system, while another part is not. Piece picking. Piece picking, also known as a broken case picking or piece pack operation, describes system where individual items are picked. In the case of the piece picking, individual items are the picked. Operations using piece picking typically have a large stock keeping unit based in the thousands or 10,000s of the atom, small quantity per pick, and the shorter cycle time. Example of the piece picking operation include mail order catalog company and repair part distributors. Case picking. Operations that use case picking tend to have less diversity in the product characteristic than operations that use peacekeeping. There are typically fewer SKU and higher pick per SKU. Pallet picking. Full pallet picking or the unit load picking uses much simpler systematic methods than piece picking or the case picking. However, there are many choices in the storage equipment. Storage, configuration, and types of the lift trucks. Pick and pack. Pick and pack is a part of the complete supply chain management process that is commonly used in the retail distribution of the good. It entails processing small to large quantity of the product of truck or train loads and assembling them, picking the relevant product for each destination and repackaging with the shipping label affixed and invoice included. Usual service includes obtaining a fair rate of the shipping from common as well as the expediting truck carriers. Pick and pack services are offered by the many businesses that specialize in the supply chain management solution. Case picking. Case picking is the gathering of the full cartons or boxes of the product. This is often done on a pallet. If the consumer products industry, case picking large quantity of the cartons is often an entry-level employer's task. There is, however, significant skill required to make a good pallet load of the product. Key requirements are that cartons not be damaged. They make good use of the available cube space and be quick to assemble. Warehouse management system. Products create peak paths to minimize the travel distance of an order selector, but often neglect the need to maximize the use of the cube. Segregate products that should not be touched or minimize the damage. Order picking technology. Order picking technology such as to the pick to the light, put to the light, and pick to the voice are widely known to improve picking accuracy and the efficiency. Please see here. Order in the case of the order picking technology, pick to the light. This is an automated pick according to the light, put to the light, and pick to the voice. If the voice comes, then pick. These are the picking accuracy and efficiency in the warehouse management system. These technology can be fully integrated with the warehouse management system as well as a RF scanner is there. Large companies are experimenting with the drones, robotics, virtual reality, and augmented reality, but these newer technologies are still expensive for the average warehouse. Factors. The specific order fulfillment process or the operational procedure of the distribution center are determined by many factors. Each distribution center has its own unique requirement or the priority. There is no one-size-fits-all process that universally provides the most efficient operation. Some of the factors that determine the specific process flow of a distribution center are the nature of the shipped product. Shipping eggs and shipping certs can require differing fulfillment process. The nature of the orders, the number of the differing items and quantity of each item in order. The nature of the shipping packages, shipping packing, cases, totes, envelopes, pallet can create process variation. Shipping cost, consolidation of the orders, shipping per sort can change processing operations. Availability and the cost of the productivity of the workforce can create trade-off decision in the automation and the manual processing operation. Timeliness of the shipping windows, then shipment used to be completed based on carriers can create processing variation. Ability of the capital expenditure dollars influence on the manual versus automated process decision and longer term benefits. Value of the product shipped, the ratio of the value of the shipped product and the order fulfillment cost. Seasonality variation in the outbound volume. amount and duration of the seasonal peaks and value of the outbound volume. Predictability of the future volume, product, and the order profiles. Predictability of the distribution network, whether or not the network itself is going to change. Presence of the small volume distribution, minimization of the shipping cost. These are the factors. These are the factors for the order fulfillment process. These are the factors which is important for the order fulfillment process. The list is only a small sample of the factors that can influence the choice of the distribution center's operational procedure, because each factor has varying importance in each organization. That net effect is that organization has a unique process requirement. The effect of the globalization has immense impact on much of the order fulfillment, but its impact is felt mostly in the transportation and distribution. Globalization is taking place throughout the world, and most impact of the globalization is in the case of the transportation and distribution. Globalization will be only feasible if the transportation is there and the distribution is there. Now, next is the wave picking. Yesterday also I have discussed about the wave picking. Again, I am discussing about the wave picking. Wave picking is used to support management and workers by a warehouse management system in the several ways. To support the planning and organizing of the daily flow of the work of a warehouse or the distribution center, wave picking is an application of short interval scheduling. Managers using a warehouse management system may assign groups of the order into short intervals called the waves to initially simulate the flow for the day consistent with the order departure plan and the available labor. When the plan is satisfactory, it is accepted. The warehouse management system will then release the waves to the warehouse sequentially throughout the day to allow managers to coordinate the several parallel and sequential activity required to complete the daily work path. One of the objectives of the wave picking is to minimize the variation of the workload in each work function by the wave. The wave planning data includes the workload, order lines, cases, each times, value-added services, etc. by the order of the function. Case picking, repack picking, pallet movement, peak piston replacement, packaging, etc., providing the management the information to calculate the staff requirement, to guide the assignment of the staff by the function, with the reasonable expectation that the work in each function within each wave. Waves are often constructed based on each day's order characteristic and available staffing to last between the 1 and 4 hours, with resulting 8 to 2 waves in the shift. There are 3 basic management tasks accomplished and benefits of the wave picking. These are the benefits of the wave picking. To organize the sequence of orders and their assignment to the wages, consistent with the routing, loading, loading, and planned departure times of the shipping vehicles or production requirement, and therefore to reduce the staging space required for shipping, dock handling to assemble orders, load and ship. To assign staff to each wave and function within each wave, with the expectation that all the work assigned to each wave will be completed at approximately the same time within the wave period. Providing management with the ability to monitor and manage performance throughout the day, responding in a timely way to problems that occur, and more effectively utilize the staffing throughout the shift. To support management control before and during a work shift to achieve the daily plan and react in a timely way and measure and report the results. Material handling methods and equipments are independent of the waving. Each set of the methods, order picking, batch picking, bulk picking, these are the methods of the picking operation in the warehouses, which are the mentioned here. And equipment, conveyors, sorters, ASRS, order picker, pallet jack, and forklift. These are the equipment used in the warehouses. please concentrate the mind here. Conveyor, sorter, ASRS, order picker, these are the equipment used in the warehouses will yield a different expected productivity rate for the management to use in the determining of the number of the staff hours to assign each function by the way. Additional benefits of the wake picking includes measure productivity within a function, estimate the staff required, estimate the throughput capacity based on staffing levels, evaluate the impact of the changes in methods and equipment by the function, provide feedback regarding the performance, better understand the nature of the workload as it changes seasonably as a consequence of the demand and a consequence of the sales efforts and the marketing company. How does the warehouse wave picking methodology works? Here is the methodology is given here for the wave picking. Wave picking creates intervals known as waves that align with the variables like the order departure plan or the transportation plan. It creates a wave for the according to the transportation plan. Transportation plan according to the beeps. It creates a waves. It is an alternative to the scheduling several workers per day and simply hoping to process the maximum number of the orders. With wave picking, a warehouse can meet objectives like getting X amount of the order out the order or ensuring transport trucks are used most efficiently. Some industry observers consider wave picking a variation of the batch picking or the zone picking, which makes sense when you consider how these other methodology work. Batch picking involves order worker moving through the warehouses collecting goods for several orders at once, while the zone picking involves workers dedicated to a specified section passing order towards from one zone to the next. With wave picking, orders are grouped and picked in the batches, but at a specific time of the day. Here, how it works: worker receives a consolidated pack list. Worker receives a consolidated pack list. Worker use a multi-tote picking cart to manage the various items in a particular way. Worker picks approximately 4 to 12 orders per way. Wave picking is useful for both the low peak and the high peak operation. For low peak operation, wave picking includes reduces the number of the trips worker take walk back and forth. For high peak operations, warehouse manager couple wave picking with the zone picking to run the most efficient workflow possible. There are some instances in which wave picking is not appropriate. In order for the wave picking to be efficient, a wave cannot be initiated until there are enough similar peaks or the orders. Company with the same day operation may not have the luxury of waiting for those conditions. Designing your wave or the wave picking. Wave picking is meant to get your order picked, packed and shipped in time to meet the delivery promises to the customers. There are a lot of the variables that go into getting this right, and it would be taken a full long time for the warehouse manager to get up manually. Fortunately, warehouse management system software exists. When an influence of the orders comes in and you need to get work as quickly as possible, your warehouse manufacture system evaluates all sorts of the variables, including delivery time, transportation schedule, and the labor schedule to break up the order into the waves. The different ways your warehouse management system can organize are the delivery times, delivery address, shipment number plus shipment start loading time and shipment in loading time. Delivery times. Your waves may be grouped based on the promise to customer time. This method is normally used when the warehouses does not use shipment numbers to sort out one delivery. Delivery address. If your shipment are going to the same general area, you can group them together and send them out together. This not only optimizes your warehouse operation, it optimizes your transportation process as well. shipment number. If your main organization criteria is shipment numbers, then you can easily organize your waves based on this factor. Shipment number plus shipment starting loading time plus shipment in loading time. In this case, waves are grouped based on their shipment number in addition to the cutoff time for either part or in loading. You can then schedule backward based on the orders with the same or near same cut of the time. Once you have your waves, you can work through them sequentially to achieve the desired objective. These are the advantages of the wave picking. Cut down on implied time required to pick, because it picks in the waves, hence the time required to are cut down. More efficient to utilize imply in succession for the picking. Wave batch makes it easier to understand what products have been picked and what products need to be picked. Makes it easier to understand that what products have been picked and what products need to be picked. Cut down on the distance each imply needs to travel. Less complex and error-prone than order picking methods. Easily accomplished through the distribution hub. Disadvantage of the wave picking. Usually one run once per day, which may leave urgent orders for the another day. Can get confusing when multiple pickers are involved with one wave overlap. For complicated warehouse layout, it may not be the best option. Likelihood for the errors if the proper cart system is not used to store orders sequentially. Whether this is the right picking method or not becomes a matter of the preference. If you have been taking a very staggered approach to the picking product, it may be time to check out distribution hub. With wave picking, product check-in, put away, picking, shipping, routing, and delivery, it is one of the soap for the modern day wholesaler. Waveless order fulfillment. Waveless order fulfillment is a methodology used in the distribution center for fulfilling orders or the order picking. Waveless picking is a form of the batch picking where items for the multiple orders are collected or picked together at the same time to be divided into the separate orders at later time in the process. The collection of the item is called the batch. Historically, the terms wave picking and the batch picking have been synonymous, as wave picking as a means of the achieving batch picking. Batch picking, both wave and waveless, reduces the travel or motion associated with fulfilling orders in the distribution center. Motion is non-productive and one of the 7 wastes identified in the lean processing. Batch packing provides great advantage when individual orders are of just few units and where items are located over great areas, as would be found in the modern e-commerce operation. In such circumstances, the required work, effort, and time is reduced by having a travel path where pickers collect items from the required location in a batch. However, the efficiency gained by the picking the batch is reduced by the effort to separate the items into them. The profile is a common in direct to consumer e-commerce operation. Some operations may use an automated storage and the retrieval system that allows material to be delivered in the complete order. However, these operations are also benefit from the batching items of the multiple orders. Batch creation, how the batch is created. The distinction in the wave and waveless fulfillment is the means of in which the batch is created. You can distinguish wave picking and waveless picking by the batch creation. In both cases, the batch represents a collection of the item required for the set of the orders. In a wave-based system, a collection of the orders for a batch is determined, also known as selected. Next, the individual items required for the set of the orders are identified and included in the batch. The size of the batch is limited to ensure that the batch may be sorted. When including the orders, items in the batch, the collection of items may be grouped into the multiple task list. Each task list is optimized to minimize the required travel to connect the items. The entire batch is called a wave, and the wave is completed when all the required items have been obtained. In both a wave and waveless operation, the size of the batch is limited by the ability of the downstream sorting process to separate out the items. Items arriving at the sorting process may come in undefined sequence, and the sorting system must then be able to hold an early arriving item until the latest required item arrives for the order. If newly arriving system items don't have a place to hold while awaiting the later arriving items. In a waveless system of the batches, order is ever evolving. New orders may be added to the batch as existing orders may have been completed. In case of the waveless, this is called a revolving batch, where the batch size is dynamically specified by the warehouse execution system. With this continuous flow of the items through the revolving batch, as one order is completed, another order is added to the process. With wave picking, order completion is bunched up at the end of the wave, while the waveless picking order completion occurs continuously. This is the Now we have studied about the wave picking, advantage, factors. Designing the wave picking, advantage of the wave picking, disadvantage of the wave picking, how the waveless order fulfillment is there, how the batch creation is there. And we have take the different picking strategy of the warehouses. What are the different picking strategy, order processing in the case of the warehouses. 6 picking operation have been defined here. What are the different order picking methods are there? Order picking. What is the order picking? Single order picking, batch order picking, pick and pass, zone order picking, cluster order picking, and the wave order picking. We have completed these all operations of the wave picking, order picking methods. What are the wave picking and the batch picking of the session 14?